This is the paint coverage calculator, area and coats, which determines how much paint you'll need for any room project. Let's review the input fields. Enter your room length in feet and room width in feet. Wall height in feet defaults to 8 but can be adjusted. Number of coats defaults to 2, which is standard for most applications. Number of doors defaults to 1, and number of windows defaults to 2, accounting for surfaces you won't paint. Paint coverage in square feet per gallon defaults to 350, which is typical for most paints. For our example, I'm using a 10 by 10 foot room with 8-foot walls, 2 coats, 1 door, and 2 windows, with paint coverage at 350 square feet per gallon. After clicking Calculate Paint Needed, the results show total wall area of 320 square feet before deductions. The adjusted total wall area is 270 square feet after subtracting door and window areas. Paint needed shows 1.54 gallons. For complete coverage, which rounds up to 2 gallons, you should purchase. This calculator saves time and prevents waste on your next painting project. Find the link in the description below.